What's up, people? Driving to a friend's house right now. Going to pick up a bumper for my car. Well, we're swapping bumpers, kinda. So I'm giving him my old bumper because he doesn't have one to put on. Because I don't really care. I don't really like that bumper anyways. And I'm getting his bumper, which is m-tech2 front bumper. It's a rep bumper, but it's already painted. It's already fitted. And it looks cooler. So that's a steal for $100. I'll take it. That's that. I'll see you. Let's go. New bumper, baby. Alright, guys. So, I'm pretty sure this is the m-tech2 front bumper. I got a lip for it in my garage. So, whenever I get the chance around to like kind of fit that and like make that look good, I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna buy some like sandpaper, some you know, I just have to fit it, and then I'm gonna bring it to a shop and have them paint it. But this looks so much better. I literally I love the way this bumper looks. I think it looks so much cleaner. It changes the whole look of the car. I just can't wait to get this body kit on it. I think it's gonna be amazing. So that's that. Here it is. Got my new bumper. I didn't really film it much because it was like literally like a 5-minute process of putting it like on and off. So like it's done. I also got this lip for it. I'm just gonna get it painted and fit it, and then I'm gonna throw that on. So that's sick. And now I have to do is buy my body kit and wing or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking like a duck bill or something, but like body kit and wing and whatever else coming soon. Coilovers coming soon. I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a nice night.